first day of college or first day of preschool? Hey guys, what's up? It is Christina here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a back to school glow up, my last first day of school. I am a senior in college now. I don't know how I got here. To be honest, and I don't want to leave. That means that I will have to like pay bills and like, I don't even know. I don't even know what adults do. Before I start this video, I just want to mention SeatGeek as my sponsor. Just kidding. I'm not even sponsored, by the way. But since back to school is so important and like, you know, you can drink a little bit too much, I found the Miracle Pill supplements for you guys. That's not Tylenol. That's perfect for hangovers. Okay, I hope I'm not being like super annoying for you guys. This is just like me like entertaining myself and you guys. So take all this like obnoxious speaking with a grain of salt and don't think that I'm like constantly like this. I'm kind of a pretty mellow person, to be honest, but today I was just feeling like hella hype and but yeah, so okay. Being a college senior, like, you drink, you're in college, whatever, who cares? Like, live it up before you become an adult. I don't really care. But within, literally within, they have these awesome like dietary supplements. I am telling you guys, I'm not even sponsored. It's called Oops, I Did It Again Food Coma / Party Recovery Dietary Supplements. It's vegan, non-GMO, soy, dairy, and sugar-free. It has a bunch of super herbs in it, and it basically helps you recover quickly. Take these before you go to bed because then you'll wake up feeling so much better. This past week, I went down to like the Jersey Shore. Pause. Can I just say that none of my friends told me that my eyelashes were literally off of my face? What the heck? Do you see this? Do you see what? And I think I'm just getting older and my body's like, girl, you're a college senior, like it only gets worse from here. That is my back to school tip for you guys. Okay, I'm over myself. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into my get ready with me last first day of school. I'm gonna cry. Like, I don't really know. Probably like all I really use for back to school when I do my makeup like for class and stuff like that, if I'm really trying to just like find someone to love me in PR. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Do Me Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. This stuff smells like watermelon. It smells amazing. And this is like such a natural finish. Even though it is like full coverage, it doesn't like, you don't look like you really tried too hard. I'm really trying here. I'm also thinking about getting more lip injections for back to school. What do you guys think? No? Okay. I just want to stay in college forever, but I also want to like graduate and like have money, but like I'm not going to be making any money as a journalist. I just don't know where I'm at, what I'm going to do, where I'm going to go in life. Also, I like to conceal down here so that it like really blends with my neck, because if you do a too dark of a foundation, you could really tell around like the neck area. So at least that way like you can still keep your foundation like a little bit more tan. God, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Now I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit just because homegirl really wants a nose job. Hashtag not spons. So I'm using my Too Faced Sweet Peach highlighter blushish palette. I really like their highlighter. So like I'm just gonna go all in. Don't you love that like first day like fresh vibe and you're like, oh my god, like my outfit's poppin', like maybe this year I'll meet like the love of my life, and then it never happens. Same. So I'm using my WAC Becca Tiger Lily blush. It broke and I had to put it back together and it's just like never been the same. But it's fine. It's fine. Oh god, that's not fine. Honestly, I usually just put bronzer on my eyes, but recently I haven't been liking my bronzer, so I've been using burnt orange. I'm using this CoverGirl liner. I literally use like any liquid liner and it just works. I'm taking my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I don't really use this one that much. This doesn't build on too much too quickly, but it does create a nice lash. I love this Pixie by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm. This is in the shade, oh, there's no shade. I like to apply this Dose of Colors lip gloss. I don't have the name because it got ripped off, but like it just like, I love nude. The best choice I've ever made in my life was getting my lips done. So this is my look with my lashes. Usually if I'm going to class, I'll just have my hair like straight, or I'll just like put it in a ponytail. As long as my face is done, I don't really mind what my hair looks like. I'm gonna bring this heirloom out for you guys. This is a triple barrel curling iron. I bought this thing, I'm pretty sure, because of like JLo's Mac 1. And then I like to start at the base, and I angle it upwards so that you don't get this awkward dent by doing it this way. It's like I'll show you, it's like a weird dent. So I kind of try to avoid that to make it look like it just started flowing by doing this. And then I meet this barrel with that last wave where we picked off so that it continues the wave. See how it just kind of falls like that? It's pretty awesome. Okay, so now that I look like a homeless rat, we're gonna change that. So my idea today was to do like these cute little things up here, except I want more hair. So to do that, I'm going to basically section off like this. I'm gonna take this section right here, put it down here. Okay. I'm going to tie it in a ponytail, just like in the back of my head. We're gonna put in the extensions under here and pray to God that this shit works. You're really supposed to like tease it, but I'm not really going anywhere, so whatever. We gotta do this one. She's not ready. So I used to just spray my hair first with hairspray and then go with it, but then my Elnet just smells really bad and I don't like doing that. So I just gave up on that. But then I realized like this curling iron really holds the wave pretty well, especially after like a night of like going out. It is way too hot in here. Oh. How does it look? Like, does it look good? Like, I can't really tell, but I can kind of tell. I look like a Spice Girl. So to lock my look into place, I like to use the Elnet Satin Extra Hold Hair. This one smells kind of rough, but like, it really does like hold everything into place. And usually with these types of waves, I like to like flatten down my hair. I love this. I can't believe I actually did this. Like I had this like idea in my head and like I executed it perfectly. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram because I don't really care about Snapchat. You guys can follow that too, but that's like the behind the scenes of my life that I don't really like to put on Instagram. So if you guys just want blackmail of me, go check out my Snapchat, I guess. I don't know. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!